Hi guys! So it's a Thursday and tomorrow I have a photo shoot for my vlog. I'll be going to Mega Mall to have a massage. Ano pa ba? So I'll try to bring you along with me kung makakapag-shoot ako. Actually, ilang beses na ako nagtatry mag-vlog pero hindi ko siya natatapos. So this is my outfit of the day. Just a regular, ano ba tawag dito? Halter top. Tapos I have a tube inside. And then, leggings and Birkenstock, of course. Yun naman lagi ko suot. I'll be bringing my Celine Trio bag with me kasi wala naman akong ganong kailangang dalahin para mabilis din ako makagalaw. Nagpalit ako ng accessories. This is a new watch. This is a Rolex Explorer watch. And then, my half-band eternity ring. That's it. For this set, naka-white siya. Kaya nagaya ko na
nagpapalit ng profile tsaka cover sa Facebook page. Friday the 3rd.
Anong pa naman safe na yan?
Hold lang. Hindi lang yan.
Kaya patingin ako. Tinan ko lang ah. Kung bet mo. Ang ganda ng color.
Yun lang.
Ang ganda. Ang galing. Napahinga ako ng copy din ng pictures mo ipa-vlog ko.
Sige, sure. Nakagain.
Makeup din.
Halatang gutom.
Hindi na makangiti.
Hi guys! Happy Halloween! It's October 31 today and walang tao dito sa bahay except me, Ate Ichi, our ampon, and the dogs. Ayokong iwan si Lele dahil may mga gamot pa siyang iniinom for her vaginitis. As of now, vaginitis pa lang yung narurule out but I have to bring her back to the vet. Right now, I'm just doing my makeup. As you can see, I don't have any foundation on right now. I'm just putting some concealer on my cheeks because yung pinaka-main problem ko talaga other than my dark circles is yung veins sa cheeks. Sobrang namumula sila. Daily basis, guys, I don't really like wearing foundation. I'm just putting on concealer and then the rest sa aking chin. Meron din akong ano dyan. Veins. So, do you like this kind of videos where I just talk while doing my makeup? Filmed a brow video showing you all of the products that I use for my brows and the brow technique that I use the most. But I figured out since it's a holiday and makakapag-vlog ako, vlog muna i-upload ko. Kasi Kasi sunod-sunod na puro beauty videos. Now, I'm going to upload this vlog. If you're wondering kung anong concealer ang ginagamit ko for my veins, it's the Makeup Forever Full Cover. And this is in number 6. And then for my eyes, of course, ang aking favorite na, oops, pabaliktad siya, but it's the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in custard. And then I'm going to powder with a new Holy Grail powder. I'm going to show it to you guys. Sobrang ganda niya. As in. Medyo maputi lang siya sa akin. I think I've picked the wrong color. Usually kasi pag bumibili ako ng powders, I go for the lighter one. Not because I would want my face to look stark white, but because acidic ako and most of the products oxidize on me. So, parang hindi ako magkamali yung mas whiter na lang. And then I put on some bronzer. Hindi talaga ako nakakapagsuot ng makeup without using bronzer because I feel like sobrang unnatural tingnan pag powder lang. Talking about, this is the Hair & Make Smooth Cover Powder Mineral. This is a mineral powder in the shade number 2. Medyo nag-glare. Have to do this quickly. Mineral powder siya guys, but the coverage is really nice. Para kang naka-foundation pagka ito yung suot mo, but hindi naman talaga. So guys, I don't know if you can see it, but this side, reddish pa siya, and then this side, parang naka-foundation. Going to zoom in closer. Yan. Medyo na-cover niya yung redness ng face ko, but then the other side, mapula pa siya. Diba? What can you say about this powder? Ako gusto ko siya. I think I'll be buying another one. Tapos, yung tamang shade na. Actually, nung binili ko to, ito lang talaga yung shade na meron. Meron pang darker shade, pero wala. And sabi ko, sige kukunin ko na rin because I want to try the Hair & Make products dahil nagustuhan ko yung mascara nila eh. Which is my Holy Grail mascara that I can compare to my Dior favorite Dior mascara. Hair & Make pala guys is available at SM department stores. But I think hindi lahat. Sa Mega Mall ko siya binili. So I have my MAC bronzer. I don't go out without bronzing my face because I feel like super stark lagi ng face pag walang bronzer. And hindi ito yung brush na ginagamit ko, but since I don't really need to bronze specifically. See the difference? Ngayon, mas may life na yung face. Bronzer just to bring back the color and dimension to my face because I don't want a stark white face. Favorite MAC blush of all time is Rosy Outlook. Favorite din to ni Jaclyn Hill. Natuwa ako nung nakita ko to sa favorites niya. Just using a brush to slightly apply this. Ayoko kasi ng blush na reddish. Ang gusto ko kasi sa blush guys is peachy. I find na yun yung mas suitable sa skin tone ko. And I also put some on the chin. Using the Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in medium brown. I'm just going to brush this out. Yan. Ito meron na siyang deep brow pomade and then ito wala pa. These are my brows after doing it. Mabilis ko lang siya ginagawa. Akala na iba pa naghihirapan ko talaga yung tamad-tamad kong mag-makeup. So this is the look. Ang kulang ko na lang is my Tony Moly lip tint. So this is the newly organized vanity area. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo bagong organization is ito and then ito. These are Muji drawers. And ito bago siya. Itong frame na yan, I had it custom made for my mirror. This is my bed setup right now. Kasi nag-photoshoot kami. May pinagkainan pa ako dun. Tapos yan. And then yung Chase Lounge ko. Okay, ito yung mga dadalhin ko. My bag. I'm changing my bag. And then laptop case, extra battery, my phone, and laptop charger. That's it. This is the makeup that I'm wearing on right now. Very light. And The top is from SM, GTW Fab, and then I'm just wearing some leggings and my bedroom slippers. The accessories that I'm wearing on right now, very simple. My half band eternity ring, and then my watch. Thank you, Charmaine, nga pala, for your pasalubong from Baguio. Bigay sa akin ng kapatid ko. This is the dream catcher that she got me from Baguio, I think, or Benguet, hindi ko sure. Bagay siya sa room ko. Just going down. Masok. Them doggies. Teki! Hi, Teki Bear! Lei Chang! Lei! Dixie. This is Patek, Lei, yung maingay, and then Dixie. So, iloload ko na yung mga gamit ko sa car. Walang kotse ngayon dahil nasa probinsya sila. Hala, Ate Ichi, lumabas ako. Ito yung suot ko. Aalis na sana ako. Balik ako para magpalit ng bedroom slippers into outside slippers. And then, nakita ko tong package na to. This is from my shopping box. I think this is the Makeup Geek items. Tagal ko na to hinihintay.
Hindi nga daw sila propasukin ng may bayad na daw.
Delivery? Grabe naman. Hala, grabe naman sila. Wala, may delivery fa na daw pagpasok. Kahit i-deliver mo lang ganito, hindi naman maayos yung gate na subdivision namin. Walang kotse dito sa garahe dahil nasa probinsya silang lahat. Ito lang. Get in my car. Tatanong din guys kung ano yung ginagamit ko na mount sa kotse. Actually, sobrang mura lang nito. You can buy this from any car shop o car accessory shop. Silicone mat lang siya. Kaya pwede mong idikit yung phone mo, yung kung ano-ano. And then washable siya. Tapos pwede pa rin siya dumikit. Alam ko bukas naman ata yung mall but di ko lang alam kung what time magka-close. Yung Makeup Geek na parcel ko, sobrang excited na ako buksan. Pero, I want to do an unboxing video sa aking channel because I'm worried because mga pants yung binili ko. Ilalagay ko sana doon sa mga extra Z palettes. So, since I'm driving, I'm just going to chat with you guys. Yesterday, I had the photo shoot with the team that I got. And first kong nakuha sa team is Ate Moksha, who's also known as Smokey Gray on social media, and sobrang nakakaliw siya. Also, yung aking photographer is a 19-year-old very talented photographer. If you're looking for a photographer and okay din yung rates niya, si Sophia Maxine Photo. I'm not like a very artsy person when it comes to photos, pero I can say na she has a talent for a 19-year-old and malaki pa yung i-improve niya. And I also got Miss Nibi Nang and Ate Paula for my hair and makeup. Airbrush yung ginamit nila sa akin and hindi pa na-edit yung photos. Sobrang ang ganda ng finish ng makeup. Tuloy na-inspire akong bumili ng sarili kong airbrush system. Gusto ko sana yung Beauty HD kasi affordable siya and then may kasama na foundation for I think 4,999. That I like to show. Yeah. By the way, this is in my room. Dito kami ngayon sa Eastwood and I'm having go salad. Ito yung Sergeant steak salad nila. And then the jeepney juice. Tapos ano to, Via Mare Express. Yung binibili tapos i-hit mo lang. And then sa price. Hindi ako nagda-diet guys. Tapos mamaya, ito yung kakainin ko sa sinihan pagka mag-movie. Hi Jeloy, ay sinigang. So I finally did get myself a tattoo. Nakatakip lang siya but after an hour, pwede na siyang tagalin. This is my first tattoo. Hi guys! So, paalis na kami ng Eastwood. Sorry, hindi agad ako nakapag-update. Ito na naman ako, yung mga umpisa lang ng days na sisimulan ko. Nanood kami ni Jelay ng Everyday I Love You. Sino ba yun? Kay Enrique Hill, tsaka kay Liza Soberano. Maganda yung movie. Next lang kami kasi pupunta kami ngayon ng Fort to meet my friends. So guys, I just got home. Hindi ako gaano nakapag-film today. 3:30 a.m. Kakauwi ko lang. And also guys, I got a tattoo and very small lang siya. Actually, after an hour, pwede mo nang tanggalin yung cover niya. Pero, hindi ko agad tinanggal kasi ayokong mahawak-hawakan siya or madumihan. Actually guys, masakit siya habang ginagawa. Pero after, mahapdi lang. Pero hindi siya like yung sakit na ina-anticipate ko. Kala ko kasi, magagalaw ko yung kamay ko habang ginagawa ni kuya sa sakit. Pero parang, alam mo yung feeling na parang may needle ka tapos idinadrag siya dun sa skin mo. Parang ganun lang siya na mas masakit ng konti dun. Yan. Si Leylay dahil may tumutulong nga sa kanyang private part dahil meron siyang parang vaginitis. So, dito siya natutulog habang wala ako. Tapos, pag nandito na ako, dito siya sa bed ko natutulog. Kaya lang kasi right now, kakadating ko lang. So, saka ko pala siya iaakyat. I have to put this blanket on para hindi mastainan yung white na comforter ko. And then we have, just going to zoom. And then we have Dixie sa kanyang crib. And then Patek, yung black dog. Teki! Hi! Dixie! Dixie bear! I know! Yes! I know! Hi! Hi! I know! That's Teki. Wait, Teki, wait. Cutie. Cutie. No, no, no. Unedited pa siya, so... Ayan, ang laki ng braso ko. Turuan lang nila ako kung paano yung gagawin ko. This is Paula. And then this is Ate Moki. O, diba? Mga pa-effect yung post ko. Hindi ako marunong talaga eh. So, ayan. Siya yung nag-makeup sa akin ng aking desk. And yung one corner of my room, which is this one right now. Yan, gusto ko to. And then this one also. Yan, gusto ko rin yan. Naliw ko dito. Ang flawless ng mukha ko dyan. It's because airbrush yung ginamit. Then we also had the shoot outside with my dog sa garden. Okay. So guys, ito yung box ng Makeup Geek items that I got. And then, naka-prepare na yung, or naka-ready na yung Z palette ko. Oh, wait lang. May ginagawa ako, Leylay. You want kamot? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! What are you doing? Guys, ganyan yung nangyayari. Kailangan talaga pinipigilan ako ni Leylay. Diba? Going to show you guys what happens when I pick a winner. Ngayon, 527 na ako. And ngayon ko palang idodraw yung winner ko for my 500 subbies na ang price ay Laura Mercier Creamy Color Balm. And I'm going to go to Video Manager. Sa community to load. Ang bagal. To load the comments. Ayan. So, ayan lahat ng comments ko. And, iloload ko siyang lahat by showing all of the comments. Yung pinakauna ng mga comments ko, I'm going back to the top. by scrolling it to the topmost part of my page, and then I'm going to command all or highlight all and then copy. Copy. Random.org. Dito ko kasi dinodraw yung winners. And then I'm going to the list and more. To select list randomizer. I'm going to be pasting everything in here. Hindi ko na binubura yung comment ko kasi pati comment ko kasama dyan. So now that I have that, I'm going to randomize. Okay, titingnan ako dun sa pinakauna, sa number 1. Walang lumabas. So I'm going to randomize again. Wala pa rin sa number 1 spot. I'm going to stop when I reach a name for the number 1 spot. So wala pa rin. Again. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin. Okay yan. So meron na. Cherry Lou de la Paz. Siya yung winner. Going to highlight. And then, ko na siya isa-search kasi kadalasan Command F para ma-search ko siya dito sa area na to. Pero, kakasubscribe lang niya. Cherry Lou de la Paz. So, okay. And then, I'm going to look for her comment. Kung saan siya nag-comment. Para meron akong, ayan. So, si Cherry Lou de la Paz ang aking 500 subbies winner. So, okay guys, I've already removed the cover for the tattoo and ito siya. I still have a ton of videos to upload guys. In-edit ko yung aking brow video and I also have an upcoming makeup haul video kasi nang bumili ako ng price nung MAC Rebel. Napadaan din ako sa Rostan. Tulog na yung mga aso ko except kay Laylee. Nandito pa siya kung anong ginagawa niya. Lay, why aren't you sleeping? Hey. Kakatapos ko na mag-skincare guys, and as always, dark circles, gabi na kasi ako lagi natutulog. Yesterday, I slept, I think, 3, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 a.m. na already. Ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na even ordinary days, talagang may mga red patches sa aking face. I don't know why. Problem ko, other than my red patches, itong veins ko, sobrang, yan. So, kita-kita nyo na. Sobrang grabe yung veins ko. Also, the other side. May nagtatanong din kasi sa akin ng skincare routine at hindi ko ma-share dahil hindi naman perfect ang aking skin para ma-share ko yun. I'm using mostly Clarins products. And then, meron din akong isang Laneige yung water bank na gel na sa pinaka-ibabaw ko ilalagay for more hydration. So, good night guys and see you tomorrow.